We are Sorted, a group of mates who have your back when it comes to all things food. From cooking battles to gadget reviews
it's not worth it.
and cookbook challenges to a midweek meal packs app.
Crack your eggs, bake.
We uncover the tools that'll help us all cook and eat smarter. Join our community where everything we do starts with you.
Hello everyone, I'm Mike and this is Barry.
Now firstly, thousands of you are using our Pax Midweek Meals app, which is amazing.
So we put together a whole load more of our Pax starter kits so that more of you can get access to all the tools you need to get started and give it a go for cheaper. Now, one of the things you particularly love about the app are the audio-led recipe guides.
So in today's video, our chefs James and Ben remote control us normals in a curry battle using just their vocal instructions.
But here's the catch. For 5 minutes during the cooking, each chef will have the opportunity to put a blindfold on their opponent.
Cool. Thanks for the idea, guys.
All right, Billy, go. We ready?
Ebba's play nice.
Are you confident, James?
I'm confident in my abilities, yes. I'm confident in you too.
That's what I needed to hear.
We got 30 minutes to cook up a feast. What have we got in front of us?
We've got flatbreads, poppadoms, rice.
Lots of vegetables. You've got spices. You've got basically, it looks very Indian, mate.
Are you happy with that?
I'm happy, yeah, I think I'm happy.
Well, let's cook up a cracking dish then.
Roger that. Wait, no, none of that.
3,
2,
1.
here we go.
Switch the pan on to like a medium heat and spoon in a dollop of ghee. Ghee's always a good place to start. And you can put the oil up to a low temperature.
Right, can you give me an idea of what we're making, or not?
I think we'll make a curry. So we're going to start off with a base of onion, then as soon as you get on with that ginger and garlic, we'll get some spices in there.
Oh,
we'll
yeah,
cook it
nice,
out.
nice.
So far it's taken you a minute to peel an onion. We need to speed up.
I'm normal, Ben, deal with it. I think the pumpkin and the sweet potato are more interesting to me than the lamb, I think.
10-4.
What?
Okay, I think we're going to do 3 elements. We're going to roast the pumpkin and we're going to do a little kind of saucy thing with the pumpkin, and then we're going to do something with the panini that I'm not sure about yet, and we're going to keep the tomatoes pretty fresh. Cut the pumpkin into a wedge shape. Cut lengthwise through it. Other way. Yeah, like that. Oil, salt, pepper. Have you not got any oil? What?
Who are we?
Ghee, just use ghee or something, I don't know. Oh, this is going wrong already.
Well, we've been kiboshed because no one's put any oil in the kitchen.
Put a little bit of curry powder over it as well, that might be nice.
Okay.
And then salt and pepper, and then let's bash that in the oven.
We're now 3 minutes in and you've nearly diced an onion. We need to speed up a little bit.
Can I get rid of it? Ben, we said before this that we were going to play nice, okay?
Wall to wall and treetop to all over.
Shut up. I'm not playing this game.
Right, get the onion into the pan and you're going to turn it up to number 6 once it's in there
Turning up to max.
and whack the lid on. Now got about 90 seconds to peel a clove of garlic and a little bit of ginger. You can do whatever's easiest with the ginger, even if you just grate it quickly. A little bit of peel is not the end of the world. We're going to fry it off.
I can't get rid of him. He's killing me.
All right, alligator station, keep chopping.
Shut up!
We have to win this because James is rubbernecking, and at any time he could put the blindfold on. Lift the lid on the pan and then add the garlic and ginger in. Give it a stir. There's a wooden spoon on your left. Can you turn the heat on the oil up a bit higher so we can get that nice and hot?
Okay, next up, put that pan onto 4, put a tablespoon of ghee in there, and then after that we're gonna finely slice an onion. We're gonna put that straight in the pan, yeah?
I do not want to let you down.
Okay, a little bit of salt in there. 5 minutes gone, mate.
Oh my God, what? Where's that gone?
I know, right, let's put some cumin seeds in there, and cumin seeds, mustard seeds, and ground coriander. Let's leave that to it, we'll keep an eye on it.
You
What
want
do I
to
do
make it
with
as
this?
square as possible.
Make that a square! What are you talking about?
You're going to cut it across its cross section, yeah, and then keep cutting the same way, but maybe a centimetre apart. Then cut the skin off of those,
So now peel it. Gotcha.
and then you're going to dice those. You're doing good. I like the control.
Thanks for the compliments, Ben. They go a long way.
There is a spice mix on your left, which is like a 5-seed mix. It's got fenugreek, cumin,
I see
fennel.
it. I see it.
A delicious mix of seeds. You're going to add a generous tablespoon into those onions to fry off in the ghee. If you could sprinkle it a little bit quicker, that'd be great. And then a pinch of salt. Love you. Give it a good fry. What do you reckon on those onions? Are we nearly there?
I reckon they're good now, mate. Oh, what a mix! That smells amazing. Pumpkin, going in.
We're going to give that a good fry, but put the lid back on, trapping as much heat or that pumpkin won't cook in time.
I'm gonna peel the pumpkin, the rest of the pumpkin.
This is hard. I might just slice this off, mate.
Yeah, that's cool, that's cool. And we're gonna dice it really small.
Are these sizes okay? Or do you want them?
Much smaller than that. Nice, nice, nice. We're gonna transfer half the onions into a frying pan. Okay, and now put the butternut squash in the hot pan.
Is this butternut squash or pumpkin?
It's pumpkin, I forgot. Okay, season that with a little bit more salt, and then maybe just a splash of water as well. My idea is like butternut squash sauce, and that'll go on the bottom, and then we'll have like a roasted wedge of butternut.
Okay.
And then we're gonna have cubes of paneer.
Okay, right, your oil is shimmering.
Fantastic, turn it down to 4, and we're going to make some bhaji style things to go, some crispy bits to fry off to go with it.
Okay, right, I'm now well out of my depth.
The okra, you're going to take the tops off the okra, you need about 4, and then you're going to slice them lengthwise, and you're going to do it very quickly. Okay, so we need to make this bhaji mix. Next up, an onion. You need to grab another onion, we're going to slice some of an onion.
Slice some of an onion.
Okay, mate, I've just had my eyes taken off, so your eyes on.
What? What do you mean?
I've been blindfolded, but we need to keep moving.
No!
Barry, you need to slice this onion. We only need about a quarter of it, and you need to do it quickly. You're going to add it to the pile of okra along with a generous bunch of fresh coriander. You need a glass bowl, probably one behind you on the back bench somewhere, and you're going to add in about 4 tablespoons of gram flour. The gram flour's in a bag on the side of the table.
What is gram flour?
Gram flour is chickpea flour. Now we want a generous, maybe a teaspoon of curry powder and about a teaspoon of salt. Is it smelling good?
It smells amazing, and they're cooking.
In that case, can you tip the tin of tomatoes into it?
Yes!
Fantastic. Mix it up with a little bit of cold water. You're going to have to do this by eye. You only need a couple of tablespoons. Mix it, mix it. You're looking for a paste, not a batter. This is literally the worst bit because I can't correct you by sight. If it's pasty, then stir in the coriander, and it's time for some chilli. We're feeding Jamie here, so we're going to need to add a little bit of heat. Then you want to cover all of your okra and onion. I've got my eyes back. How did you do?
Have a look!
Oh,
Get the top in, whoops.
over halfway, but we're looking good.
I'm looking at paneer right now, and it's not moving over to the... Yeah, there we go.
Okay.
Okay, so we're just gonna cut that into cubes. Give the onions a stir as well. Let's grab a mixing bowl. And we're gonna put some yogurt into that, maybe like 3 tablespoons. Mate, I'm being blindfolded, so I've got 5 minutes.
Oh no!
And then we're gonna put some ground spices in. So I'm thinking turmeric, cumin, and coriander, all ground.
Yeah.
And some salt.
No, wait.
Cool, let's just mix it up and get the paneer in there, and we're just gonna leave that.
Yeah.
Mate, I've had an idea.
Great.
Get a griddle pan out.
Griddle pan. Bosh.
What are we looking for here?
170, 180.
180,
Okay.
190,
Okay, turn the heat down.
200,
Turn the heat down quickly.
210. What are the onions here for?
Did the onions go in with the okra?
No.
It's okra and onion bhaji. Just over 10 minutes left. I really need you to stir that curry because I could be stuck.
Okay, it's quite loose still.
Lid stays off for the next 10 minutes. Okay, there's a small bowl behind you, like a breakfast bowl or something. You're going to add a couple of dollops of yogurt.
Yeah.
Maybe, I don't know, 4 tablespoons. And then there's a pot of lime pickle.
That
Citrusy.
stuff?
Yeah, you're going to take about a tablespoon of that onto the chopping board and chop it nice and fine. I think there's also some fresh mint on the back, a few mint leaves. It's going to be mint, lime pickle, yogurt.
Mint going in.
A crack of salt and pepper. Wonderful.
Did I see a really, really long chili pepper?
Yeah, you did. You saw DOS really long chili peppers.
Oh, put them both into the pan. And while that heats up, it can char the chili peppers, and then once those are done, we'll put the paneer onto the griddle pan and griddle them. So tomatoes, it's really easy. All we're going to do is quarter them.
That's what I did. I haven't done that yet, but it makes him think I'm really good.
1 minute to go, mate, and then I can see you again.
What? Oh, yeah. 1 minute to go with the blindfold on.
So let's chop coriander. Have we got coriander? Let's just chop all the coriander. And then we're going to chuck the tomatoes in with the onions into the frying pan. And we're not really looking to cook those too much. It's just like warming them through a little bit.
Okay.
Yes, blindfold off.
Okay, you're going to take dollops in your fingertips and maybe walnut-sized pieces, or that mixture, and you're going to drop it into the oil carefully, lower it in. Stop stroking it, squeeze it, and then put it in.
Well, I don't know. Stop stroking it and stick it in.
You heard me.
good. I might take this curry off the heat.
No,
is that right?
keep it on, but we're going to add in the spinach.
Now?
A generous fistful.
Bang.
Yeah, you're also going to need to get some tongs and flip the onion bhaji, so...
But they do look good. Yes.
Okay, we need to check on our pumpkin.
Yes.
See whether it's soft. So use a little knife and just check whether it's soft.
It hasn't passed the potato test.
Okay, it's looking good, but we're going to give it 5 more minutes.
That is not getting hot anytime soon. Blowtorch? Blowtorch?
Let's not get a blowtorch out. Okay, we've got 10 minutes. What you're doing is stirring right now, and I don't think we need to do that. So what we'll do is grab a plate. So I'm thinking like a black plate with a rim. I've got the plate in mind, and I really want you to find it. Yes, you got the right one! The one in your left hand. We need to be quick. We need to be really, really quick. Pumpkin into the blender. All of it, all of it, all of it. Yeah. That's looking pretty good. Oh, that's looking good.
Yeah, it's good. It tastes a bit watery.
Can we put like a tablespoon of yogurt into it? Blend it again, and then we're going to put it straight onto the plate in like a little circle or something. Something that looks nice. Oh, we should put the paneer on. Let's take the chili peppers out. They're a lost cause. No, turn the chili peppers. Turn the chili peppers. Yeah, turn them. We're good. They look great. No. Did I tell you to do that? I did not tell you to do that.
You said put all the paneer in there and spread it out. There's
That
still
wasn't
paneer in
paneer, that
there.
was marinade. Right.
No.
Puree onto the plate. Puree onto the plate. Puree onto the plate.
I'm going slow now.
Start thinking about what we want to plate this up on. So maybe go and fetch a plate that you like. Good choice. Generous pinch of salt. Give it a stir and then you're going to taste it. We might or might not need some other stuff in there, we'll see.
Boom, where's the bloody...
No, there is a spoon in the pan.
Oh, spoon's already in it. Yeah, it doesn't need any more seasoning.
Buttery and sweet from the pumpkin, spiced. Good, in that case, get it into the dish we're going to serve it in.
Just a little bit. Yes, great. Let's check the pumpkin in the oven.
Oh, it's pretty soft, mate.
Okay, let's put it on the plate.
Okay.
Get it out. We've got 5 minutes left. I think we might be looking good. Through the middle of it. Okay, let's put the coriander into the tomatoes and onions. Take that off the heat.
Okay, I need to move this paneer around. It smells like it's burning.
Yeah, cool. It's looking great. It's looking really good. We don't care about the pan. The pan will live.
I can't breathe.
Okay, let's put some tomatoes on the plate. This is looking amazing.
Literally got about a minute left now, so we have to be super speedy. I'll get a plume of fresh coriander and just put that on top. A nice big bunch. Literally last couple of seconds, get the yogurt in there.
That's great. And now pick up a chili.
Like that?
Yeah, that looks good. And then we're going to grab the paneer and do the same thing with the paneer as we did with the tomatoes.
Okay.
If it's ready.
It's not, but...
Just keep it on. We can do that at the very last minute. We could crumble over some poppadom.
Okay, mate.
Let's leave the washing up. We can do the washing up later.
Yes, you can. Right.
I really wanted coconut flakes, but that's okay. Oh, wouldn't it have been great if we had coconut flakes on there? But I'm just saying, wouldn't it have been good?
It's a question, and you're asking me a question that I'm going to answer with no, it's not.
Right, paneer?
There's some good bits here. This is excellent.
Final minute, man. Final minute.
Okay. Oh, I've been never good with drizz, but maybe...
Yeah, I'm worried about drizz. Let's do lemon juice. Tiny bit over the paneer. Yeah. And now we've got 10 seconds, so go and get the coconut flakes. Quick, go and get the coconut flakes. He's not going to get the coconut flakes in time.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Mint.
$10.99.
Where do you want them?
No, never mind, mate. We've run out of time. Stop cheating.
We did it!
You happy?
Good job.
I'm chuffed with that.
Now get out of my ear.
Happy spaff?
This is a happy spaff. I'll start here.
Pumpkin masala and okra bhaji
It
with
smells.
a lime pickle yogurt.
It smells fantastic. It has that curry smell, but also some freshness to it. What I like about that is really well spiced without being spicy. It's got a real earthiness to it. And it's banging. I'm very happy with that.
Onion and okra bhaji.
Oh, it's very delicious. But often the curry is the thing that has the spice attached to it, and the writer is there to cool the curry down. But actually, the opposite is true.
It's the wrong way round.
I'm loving the presentation of this one. It looks very traditional and authentic in what I would expect a curry and bhajis to be served on. It's a really great dish.
Wow, it doesn't end there, man.
Pumpkin puree, roasted curried pumpkin, paneer, tomato and onion wilted salad, and a char-grilled pepper.
Oh no, that is tasty, but it's far, far more subtle than that curry.
Oh no!
I'm absolutely loving the colour that is on that plate. Like having the freshness of the pepper, that is like a statement piece on a plate, which is great. A massive slab of pumpkin, the paneer, the freshness. It was really great in terms of looks and everything. I wasn't getting a kick of flavour from it. In terms of a winning overall dish, it has to be this one.
Come on!
Do you think that's fair?
I strongly agree.
I need to taste a lot more as I go.
Well done, Baz. We beat the curry monster at his own game.
Well, that's my thoughts. Disappointment on this side, elation on this side. Do you agree? And do you like these videos? If you do, give the video a like, let us know.
And thank you for the blindfold suggestion. It worked a treat. If you have any other ideas, then comment down below with some new ways to give this new format a twist.
We want to know who was your winner. Comment down below with your thoughts.
And don't forget to give this video a like and, of course, subscribe.
Also, if you want to know more about the PAX app, you can get all the info downstairs. Dad joke of the week time. He hates this so much.
Right. What do you call a can opener that doesn't work?
I don't know.
A can't opener.
Yeah,
Simple.
Your delivery is getting better.
Thank you.
The PAX app is just one of the tools being used as part of the Sorted Club. Members are also discovering and sharing restaurant recommendations using the Eat app, listening and contributing to our Feast Your Ears podcast, and giving us inspiration for new cookbooks received throughout the year. It's all included, so check out Sorted membership by heading to sorted.club. And now a blooper.
It has a curry plate, bowl.
So basic.
A balti dish.